In Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, southern Washington County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 5:30 p.m. At 5:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Merton, or near Heartland, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Menominee Falls, Sussex, Germantown, Okauchee Lake, Lisbon, Merton, Lanyon, Richfield, Chenequa, Colgate, Mapleton, North Lake, Holy Hill, Carcane, Monches, Hubidis, and Stone Bank. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.